So everyone left the event with a new friend and accountability buddy, which I thought was so cool. Another highlight from the event were the arts and crafts activities. We had a watercolor portrait artist there to paint free portraits for our guests. I thought that was such a special and personal gift for our attendees. It was the thing that I was most excited about. We also had tables with art supplies and stickers so people could decorate their new workbooks and planners, and also Polaroid cameras at the photo area so everyone could walk away with a Polaroid photo memento of the event. We also had an amazing DJ, Tiffany, who I met through our Artist of Life community on Facebook, and lovely vendors sharing sheet masks, clean beauty, acai bowls, Asian fusion snacks, and even plants. The vibe was so me and incorporated a lot of my favorite things. If you couldn't make it, I hope this video made you feel like you were there, because you truly are a part of this community, and I'm here giving you a big virtual hug.
Memento, memento, memento.